Good morning student, this is Shailesh Kumar and now we are on a channel Think Math, Think Different Zara Hatke. So student, in this video our chapter going on decimal fractions, and in this chapter our first topic that how to convert a decimal to the numerals. So student, there are statements written in the words and you will convert those decimal statements to the numerals. Okay student, so let us start this video with the full commitment that you will skip no part of this video to get the first step of the chapter decimal fraction. So student, let us start the video with the topic conversion of decimal to the numerals. Good morning student, in this video we are going to express given decimal in numerals. So student, here you see some questions are being written. First is 5.2. So how will you write this in decimal numeral? So you will write 5.2. Now this is the answer. Okay student? Now we are on the second question. 0.094. Now first of all, you will write decimal 0.09 and 4. Okay, student? Now, we are on the third part. 17.185. 17 is this. 17 after that point, then 185. 185. Okay student, now you have to learn one thing, that after decimal if anything is written, then it can be uttered only in single digits. It will not be read as 185. Okay, it will be read as 185. But before the decimal that will be read as complete number. Okay, so it will not be read as 17. It will be read as 17. Okay, now so it is 17.185. Now question number 4, 210.0508. No, 200. So 210. 210. You know 210 is 210. After that point, now 0508. 0508. Now this is the answer. Okay student, now all the 4 questions we have solved here and have learnt that how to write the decimal into numerals. Now here I am going to explain you one thing more, that what is this 5.2. 5.2 means after decimal how many digits are there? Only one digit. So it will be written 5 and 2/10. Okay, what will be written? 5 and 2/10. Okay, and here what will be written this? Here you may see that after decimal how many digits are there? 3 digits are there. So it will be written as 9400th or thousandth. So it will be written as 94,000th. Why thousandths? Because in thousand there are 3 0. But here you will see that 1, 2, 3. After decimal how many digits are there? 3 digits. So it will be read as 94 thousandths. Okay student, now in the third question you can see it is written 17.185. Okay, so it will be read as 17 and 185 thousandth. Okay, 17 and 185 thousandths. Okay, now you can see 210.0508. So it will be written as 210 and 5 at which place? At the second place after the decimal. So 5 hundredth and 8 10,000th. Okay student, so what I have spoken you will get to know in the next videos. Okay, this is just explained for the knowledge to make your understanding for the next questions. Now here the question is 1 and 98 hundredth. Okay student, now 1 is there. Okay, 1 is there and mean decimal, and here you see 98 hundredth. So what is the 98th hundred? This is 98 and it means you have to write 2 zeros. Okay, 98 hundredth. So you will have to write 20, or you can say that you will write 98 in such way that after decimal there should be only 2 digits. Okay, so I have written like this. This is my answer. Okay student, now 300. Okay, after that 30 and 3. This is 333. So you can write this 333. After that and 3/10. 3/10. It mean it is saying that 3/10. Okay, it mean after decimal we have to write 3 in such way that it will, after decimal there will be only 1 digit. So I will write 3. Okay, now it is the proper answer for the given statement. 333. This is 333 and it means decimal 3/10. After decimal only 1 digit should be there. So it is 3/10. Now 25. 25 is very simple. After that and 7,000th. 7,000th. So student, 7,000th. How many zeros are there in 1,000th? There are 3 zeros. So 7 will be written after decimal in such a way that after decimal there should be 3 digits. But here 7 is the only digit. So I will mark 20 after the decimal. So student, this is the answer. Now we are on the next question. 602. First of all, I will write 602. After that and 52 10,000s. It means 52 10,000. Students, see this 10,000. In 10,000 how many zeros are there? There are 4 zeros. Okay, so you will have to write 52 in such a way that after decimal there should be how many digits? 4 digits. So but here only 2 digits in the 52. So how many zero you will have to write? You will have to write 2 more zero after decimal to make 4 digits after decimal, as there were written 10,000, and in 10,000 how many zeros are there? 4 zeros are there. So student, in this way we have learned our first topic in the decimal fraction. Now I hope if you have understood all the things, then you please subscribe our channel Think Math Think Different Zara Hatke. Now I am going to pause the video so that you can take the picture for the written purpose.